Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rizky Darmawan. I'm third grade in Vocational High School Salatiga. My learning in Mechatronica. I will discuss about my hobbies. My hobby is playing a football or a futsal or maybe some playing a basketball. That is all my hobby. And then my strength. My strength is I can use CNC machine and I can work as a team. My weakness is I I cannot work in individual and I cannot in public speaking or to communicate with another people. That's all about my hobby and my weakness or my strengths. Thank you very much to watching this video. Bye bye.